New at 10, justice is even more elusive tonight for several local families. At least 4 murder cases were dismissed in Harris County just this week, all for lack of evidence. ABC 13's Luke Jones is live with the breakdown for us. Luke?
Yeah, we asked the district attorney's office for specifics about what evidence they lacked in each of these cases. They declined to provide that, instead just telling us they're reviewing all of their cases and dropping those they don't think they could get convictions on. These 4 murder cases have been pending for years, and yet it was only this week prosecutors decided they didn't have enough evidence and all 4 cases were dismissed. On the whole, not that unusual, says prosecutor turned defense attorney Murray Newman.
To have 3 dismissed in 1 week, it may seem like it's a lot, but in the big scheme of things, statistically, it doesn't really feel like it to those of us who are down there every day.
It does raise questions about why these cases are only being dismissed now. One, the murder of a man near the Washington Strip, dates back to 2021. And then there's the 2023 road rage shooting death of this man on the Pierce Elevated. A 4th case involving the murder of a West Houston store employee last October was brought before a grand jury last month. The grand jury declined to indict one of the teens accused of his murder.
They don't think that they can prove it beyond a reasonable doubt to a jury. Ethically, they're supposed to dismiss it.
I can't read.
Leadership of the DA's office changed this year when Sean Tier was sworn in as Harris County's newest district attorney. His office releasing this statement tonight. We cannot allow cases to continue on when experienced prosecutors believe we cannot legally move forward with a case. DA Tier is dedicated to empowering his team to follow their oath on every case, even when that results in a dismissal.
I wouldn't be surprised if you see more of these cases.
Over the last 4 years, 489 murder cases were dismissed, almost a third of those because of insufficient evidence. But when murder cases are brought to trial, there's a good shot of a conviction. Since 2022, conviction rates steadily climbing in Harris County. Last year, it stood at almost 78%.
Murder conviction rate, though, those should be in the 90s. I mean, if they're going to take a case to trial, it should be much higher than that.
And because we're not being given specifics here, we don't know if prosecutors and police are now going back to the drawing board looking for a new person to charge, or is this a case where they believe they had the right people all along, they simply don't have enough to convince a jury. Reporting live tonight, Luke Jones, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.